Hello guys, once again welcome back to my channel, the Token Trackers, and in this particular video we are quickly going to discuss some updates regarding to the Arichain wallet, and also we are going to discuss about the end of its mining phase and every single thing that you need to know, and then what you need to do to be able to safeguard and secure your account in case of any eventualities. So this video is going to be very educative and informative for you if you are participating in this particular project. So I implore you to make sure that you stay from the beginning to the end so that you understand every single thing, and then you will not stand any risk of losing your account. Before we go into today's video, if you are new into my YouTube channel, please kindly hit the subscription button and also turn on the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever I upload new videos. So guys, without wasting your time, let's quickly go into it. So if you just open up your Ari Wallet app like this, you are just going to come over to testnet. So if you click on it like this, you are going to see this particular information indicating and telling you to update the app. A new version of the app is available. Would you like to update it now? Let me tell you, these updates are coming out because they are wrapping up their mining phase, and we are going to discuss all of that in this particular video. So all you have to do is go ahead, click on the update, then it is going to take you to Play Store. So you just click on update right here. It has updated, so we are going to click on open, and then once we click on open, it is going to bring us here. We click on testnet, and then once we are on the testnet right here, it is going to open up. Of course, you go ahead and check in. Now you already know how to earn, you already know these activities, how to do it. So let me just give you today's quiz. Today's quiz is this particular number 3 right here, which is C. So you just click on that and then click on check, and you are going to see that we are correct and we have earned 30 Ari points right here. Now the first thing, how to secure your account. Make sure that you pay attention to this thing, because any mistake will mean that you are going to lose your Ari Wallet account. You see these 3 lines, come over to it, click on it. You see this setting logo, click on it. So once you click on it, you see this view master key. It is very important to your account. If you, let me just tell you, before you change your password, before you do anything, you need this master key. So if you don't have it saved up somewhere, guys, you are at a very big risk. So go ahead, click on view. So once you click on view, just go ahead, insert your password here, and then click on next, and then it is going to show you your master key. So your master key is going to be something like what you are seeing here. You are going to see it here. So you can read this information here to know how important this master key is to your account. Let me just tell you, it is just like your seed phrase. Make sure that you copy it. You can just click here to copy. Make sure that you copy it and keep it somewhere safe. Don't share it with anybody. Anybody that have access to it will definitely have access to your account, because they can use it to change your password and all the rest. So just go ahead and then copy that and save it somewhere. It is very important, like I've told you. And then the next thing I want us to quickly discuss about is we are going to just head over to X. So once you are on X, just come over here. So I'm going to search for this particular guy. This particular guy is actually part of the Arichain according to my insider. And then if you scroll down to this his account right here, you're going to see a post he made 1 day ago, and he said now he reposted something and added a quote to it. So this is it right here, and this is what he had to write there. He said, alert, don't forget to claim your daily check-in and daily quiz reward. Ari Wallet mining will stop in few days. And then he now wrote 28th August. Now is he hinting us that it is going to end on the 28th of August? Now let me show you something. If you come over to this particular retweet right here, I said he retweeted something and then quoted this. Now click on this right here. So we are going to open up. So now let's open up to find out who is this Michelle. So you can see that this is actually a popular account. It is a well-known account which has backed over 581k followers on X. This is a post the person made on June 18th. This is June 18th at 9 a.m. in the morning, 9:30 a.m. and this is what the post said. It's a personal ideation. You see, the first one is that mining of Ari Wallet points will be halted within 70 days. Now this was in June. From June 18 to July 18, that is 30 days. From July 18 to August 18th, will be another 30 days, making 60 days now. Now from August 18 to what this person said here, which is August 28, that is 10 days, making 70 days. So this person has said that it is going to stop on August 28, and this person on this post also said it was going to end in 70 days. So which means that today is already August 7th, which means we just have about 3 weeks. 3 weeks and the mining of Ari Wallet is over, guys. So please, if you are participating in this project, I just thought of sharing this information because it is very, very important to you, for you to know if you are participating in it. So please go ahead, safeguard your account, and then earn as much as you can while you still have this time. So that will be all for now, guys. Thank you so much. And before I go, if you are new into my YouTube channel, please kindly hit the subscription button. Also turn on the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever I upload new videos. So thank you so much, guys. See you in my next video.